Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. Getting towards the end of the month now. Back to school for you guys. And we have another Amazon Prime unboxing. Kinda heavy. Check them out. Links will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer, including this item. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. They'll ship this out to you fairly fast. Definitely take a look at the Amazon Home Services they got to offer. I'll have that link down in the second part. And we got here, it's heavy. Whoa. Now I could get used to this. You guys can send me all you want. Jelly Belly, candy, raspberries, and blackberries. These are really good. Oh, look at that. You get the green jelly bean. It's like a pillow type thing. Emotions. Oh, you know what? I just want to pour them out, but you know what? We're gonna do it anyway. Here we go. See? Oh man, that smells good. I remember these when I was a kid. Oh yes. Look at all these. It's like a pound or two. Yep. Still smells just as good as it did. Oh, almost dropped it. But this, pretty cool. Jelly Belly. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Jelly Belly's on Amazon now. You guys be safe. Have a good day. And see you guys soon.